How to sync your contacts with TikTok. Start out on your profile page. From here, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy, which is the second one down. Here, at the bottom of this Discoverability section, tap on Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. You can see that I currently have Sync Contacts off. Go ahead and tap that on. Now, if you haven't given TikTok permission to view your contacts, you'll need to do that. I'll do that now by tapping on Open Settings. On this page, and this is specific to iPhone, but you should have something similar if you're on Android too, you just need to toggle contacts on. Now I'll go back to TikTok. Unfortunately, you'll need to go back to that same page, so top icon, Settings and Privacy, Privacy, and Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. Now you can see that's on. That's all there is to it. If you ever want to turn this off, just go ahead and tap that off and tap on Remove Previously Synced Contacts, and that will remove it. There you go. Before you go, check this out.